Okay, you want to start by taking one of your circles and put a little bit of glue. We're going to put it on the top of the wire and just pinch it. And you'll see I'm kind of pinching and pulling back. That's the technique we're going to do for the whole thing. I also like to do the top one so you can't see the wire. Do the same thing, and I'm going to put these pretty close together. I'm going to pinch it on the wire and pull it back. I also like to rotate the wire so that the petal sticks out on different sides. This is something you can kind of play with as you're creating these. So this one I'm going to put on the other side. I'm going to pinch it and pull it back. You want to do this all the way down the stem. I like to use 2 different colors to start out lighter and a little bit darker. Again, it just gives my overall arrangement a little bit more depth, but it's as simple as that.